Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Capricorn, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Page of Suns in reverse, Sun and Four of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have someone really close to you. It may be a friend or a family member, someone you trust, someone you feel is really reliable, trustworthy and loyal, really concerned about you. This may be your idea about this person, but today, whoever it is, it may be your close friend or it may even be the person you love. Whoever it is, you need to be really careful, Capricorn. You cannot trust anyone. You cannot believe in anyone because this person is not influencing you the right way, because the things they are telling you is not good, it's not good for you. And maybe in your heart of hearts, you will know that. This may be true even in your relationship. Maybe this person you love, they may be telling you certain things, but your intuition may be telling you certain things. So you are a lot confused. You don't know what to follow, which choice to take up, or what to consider. But today you need to understand that with these cards here, I can definitely say that you must trust your intuition, not this person. It may even be this person you love. So the words they are speaking or the way they are influencing you, it's not good and it is not good for you. It may work against you today. So you need to be really careful with what this person is suggesting and what you are taking. Because though this person is a reliable person, a good friend of yours, maybe with this card I feel that there is some kind of a bad influence on this person. So you cannot trust them right away. They are not doing it intentionally, but they are just thinking that it is the good thing for you and they are telling you that, but it may not work for the best for you. But with this card here, the Sun card here, Capricorn, I feel that though you may have some negative situations, things will change. You will get clarity regarding your circumstance, what needs to be done and what is right and what will work right. So there is some kind of clarity coming towards you, happiness and success. So happiness in this relationship and success in your career. So before we move on to career, we will see what is the card for your relationship first. It's 10 of Suns. So with this card, it just means that in your connection today, in this relationship today, There may be a lot of things you are doing. Maybe you have a lot of burdens on your shoulders, lot of responsibilities, and it may be your personal life responsibilities or your responsibilities in your work. That is what is really pressuring you, stressing you a lot. So you are unable to focus on this relationship or find that understanding with this person. But if you can wait, if you can just weather these storms, wait for a little longer, things will fall into place, things will begin to change in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Nine of Spheres in reverse. So with this card in your work circumstances, Capricorn, you need to be careful. Maybe there are people competing with you, working against you, ready to grab your opportunities. So you need to be really careful if you want to avoid some disappointments today in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and you are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you. And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So, that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So, I will keep this card aside. So, we will see what is the second card. Sorry, guys. Poised. So, with this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready, you have come to this place, you are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning. And people respond to your confidence and they trust you. And this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So, in your relationship also, if you are confident and happy in your own skin, you are ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship. And there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about. And there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.